Welcome back to the Drupal Academy. In this video, we are diving into something super important for anyone working with the themes in a Drupal, that is the Twig filters. These powerful tools allows you to modify and format your data right in your Twig template. Stick around as we explore some of the most useful Twig filters and how you can use them to enhance your Drupal sites. So what exactly are Twig filters? Twig filters allows you to modify your variables in your templates. They are incredibly handy for formatting text, dates, numbers and much more. So here you can see the list of the filters which are provided by the Symfony, and we will see some of the example. So let's say I have one date. I have fetched this date from one of my content type, and right now you can see the date format is year, month and the date, and I have printed this date like this using the content field date. For that I have created one Twig template of the node and I have printed this date. Now if I want to change the format of that date without changing the actual value in the backend, so for that I will use the filters. I will add the date filter and I will change the date format. Like first I want to display the date, after that month and the year. Save this file. Right now you can see first it is showing the year, month and the date. We have changed the date format to the DEMY, and I will refresh this page and we will see the result. You can see the date format is changed like as date, month and the year, which we have mentioned here in our date filter. Now let's look at some of the commonly used Twig filters in a Drupal. We will start with the basics. So first I will show you the filter, that is the trim filter, which will remove the spaces from both sides of the string. Suppose I have one string like Drupal Academy and I have added the spaces, and I will trim this by adding the trim filter. Save this file and check the output. So in my case I am saving this Twig file and I am not clearing the cache because I have disabled the cache. So that's why I don't need to clear the cache. In your case you might need to clear the cache to get result. So here you can see there is no spaces in this Drupal Academy string. Second filter, we will use it as a upper. It will convert the string into the uppercase. Again refresh this page. Here you can see the Drupal Academy string is converted to the upper. Same way for the lower as well. Just change the filter name to the lower. Refresh page. It will convert the string into the lower case. These are some basic Twig filters like upper, lower, reverse the string. Next, let's explore some of the most advanced Twig filters that you can use to transform your Drupal template. So the next filter is the escape filter. Escape filter will ensure that your output is safe for the HTML. So for that I will show you one demo. I will add the script tag in our Twig. Script. In that script I will add the alert hi and close the script tag. Save this file and refresh the page. Here you can see we are getting the hi in the alert. This output is not safe for the HTML. For that we will add the escape filter, and after that we will see the output escape, and in the bracket add the HTML. Save this file and again refresh the page. Here you can see now the actual value is printed instead of the alert message in the browser. The escape filter in Twig is used to escape special characters in a string, making it safe for HTML output. This helps prevent excesses, that is the cross-site scripting attacks, by converting characters like greater than, less than, ampersand and double quote into their corresponding HTML entities. Next filter we will see is replace filter. I will add the Drupal Academy as a string, and I want to replace the Academy with the tutorial word. So for that I will use the replace filter. So syntax for that is add the replace bracket curly brace and add text you want to replace. So I want to replace this Academy, and I want to replace the Academy text with the tutorial. So I will add the tutorial here. I'll save this file and check the output. So here you can see the Academy word is replaced with tutorial, which we have mentioned here in our replace. These filters are useful when you need to customize the display of your content fields, especially when handling raw user input or data. Here is a pro tip for you. You can chain Twig filters together to create even more complex transformation. For example, let's say we have this text as a Drupal Academy and we want to trim it, convert it to uppercase and replace certain word all at once. So I will show you how to use the chain filters. So first I will add the spaces, and after that I will add the trim filter, which will remove the spaces. Next I will add the filter as a upper, which will convert this string into uppercase, and after that the converted Academy text I want to replace it with the tutorial. So Academy and replace it with the tutorial. Save this, again refresh the page. So here you can see in the output we are getting the result. So in this example, Drupal Academy text is first trimmed of any extra spaces, then it is converted to the uppercase, and finally we have replaced the Academy word with the tutorial. Combining filters can really streamline your Twig templates. And that's it from this tutorial about Twig filters in a Drupal. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that bell icon for more Drupal tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.